Alright, I'm an idiot.
You a
Taco.
bitch.
So, okay.
Tacos.
I picked the hard ass page.
I tried to get you something at the back of the dictionary. That's why
You give me F.
Listen, I'm not Jimmy Carter, and this is definitely not a cartoon. But I will hit cartwheels. Alright? If you could really understand, this isn't your case. It's actually mine. Okay? And if it was a case study, you guys would be done. Because you guys don't study at all. But I am cashing out. Riding around with that Nina. And I'm a cash cow when it comes to it. Because when I beef, it costs money. So, what I want to say is, even though
I'm doing it first.
your boy may seem broke, I be the cashier because I got that cash. And I hate cashews. No, I don't. I love them. But I won't say in my mouth because that would mean pause. So, anyway.
I get it. It's nuts.
If
Hey,
you
can I
keep
have a
messing
cookie?
with me in this game,
Could have bought you some.
I'm
You
gonna
want
put you
Pop-Tart?
in a casket.
I have a
Okay?
Pop-Tart.
And
Strawberry.
even though
Or blueberry.
we're not betting our lives, we're in a casino. So to end this,
don't
all
think
I
you
have
did
to
it. I
say
just said I
is
have
that you should be very cautious of what activities you partake in. Because if you mess around and get lost, I'm gonna go ghost because I'm Casper.
Wait, Capper was in there?
He's gonna take the book. Yeah, Casper was in there.
Hold this. No, Jose, get the camera.
I got this, bruh.